if Discord is giving you error 573. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when Discord has corrupted files, and the good news is that in most cases, you can solve it by fully closing the app, clearing a couple of folders, and then reinstalling Discord cleanly. This is a simple fix, and you can follow along even if you're not very technical. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, we need to fully close Discord. A lot of people just close the window, but Discord can still keep running in the background. So look at the bottom right of your screen in the system tray near the clock and find the Discord icon. Right-click it, then click Quit. This makes sure Discord is completely shut down before we make any changes. Next, we're going to clear the AppData folder. Press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. This will open the roaming AppData folder. Inside here, look for the Discord folder and delete it. This removes cached or corrupted files that may be causing the error. Don't worry, this is a common troubleshooting step and your account information is not being deleted. Now we need to do the same thing for local AppData. Again, press Windows and R to open Run. Then type %localappdata% and press Enter. In this folder, find the Discord folder again and delete it. This step is important because Discord stores additional local files here, and if those files are damaged, the app can keep showing error 573 even after reinstalling. Once both folders are removed, the next step is to reinstall Discord cleanly. Go to the official Discord download page and download the latest installer directly from Discord. Avoid random download sites, because the official page is always the safest option. After the installer downloads, open it and run the setup. Let Discord reinstall completely, then launch it again and sign back in. At this point, Discord should open normally without the error. If the issue still appears, restarting your computer after reinstalling can also help make sure all the old files are fully cleared out. But in most cases, these steps are enough to fix the problem. So to recap, fully quit Discord, delete the Discord folder from AppData, delete the Discord folder from local AppData, and then reinstall from the official Discord download page. That's the cleanest way to fix Discord error 573 and get everything working again. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another Discord error or Windows issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.